When you are meeting someone for the very first time, it's important to make a good impression. Saying nice to meet you is a common expression and majority of us use it. No doubt, saying nice to meet you is a polite way. But in order to impress other person in very first meeting, you should avoid repeating overused greetings. As it is said, first impression is the last impression. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are having a great day. So today, I'm going to teach you better and creative ways to say nice to meet you. So let's start. First phrase is I'm delighted to make your acquaintance. This phrase is more formal and elegant way to express pleasure in meeting someone. It's perfect for business or professional setting. क्या आप acquaintance का मतलब जानते हैं? Acquaintance का मतलब होता है जान पहचान. Next phrase you can use formally is It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm glad we could finally connect. I have been looking forward to meeting you. Next is It's an honor to meet you. I appreciate the opportunity to meet you. Next phrase you can use is Welcome. It's great to have you here. I'm really grateful for the chance to speak with you. Thank you for taking the time to meet with me. It's a privilege to meet someone as talented as you. I'm impressed to meet someone with your accomplishment. It's refreshing to meet someone as genuine as you. It's a delight to meet a person with such a warm personality. I feel lucky to have met you. Meeting you is truly a pleasure. I'm honored to meet someone who has done so much for others. It's uplifting to meet someone as positive as you. It's been a joy to meet you. Meeting you is truly a pleasure. It's great to finally meet you in person. It's fantastic to make your acquaintance. It's wonderful to meet someone like you. Next phrase you can use is How lovely to meet you. I'm really happy to have met you. Next phrase is It's been a joy to meet you. It's humbling to meet someone with your level of expertise. It's amazing to meet someone as interesting as you. It's a privilege to make your acquaintance. I'm so happy to have had the chance to meet you. Last phrase is Welcome. I am thrilled to finally meet you. So next time when you are meeting someone for the very first time, try using these creative phrases. By using these phrases, you can make your interactions more interesting and engaging. These phrases will reflect that you are genuinely happy to meet that person. If you are visiting my channel for the very first time, then I wanna tell you that I have created a complete playlist featuring replacement of overused expressions and creative ways to replace them. So do check it out. So that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like, subscribe and share.